59, 11 point. Josh Penape sending for number 88. Itong batang Lawrence Paotro sending for AJQ Arvin Jairos Quintano. Pero piga kung piga sa bola at lahat handang makipag-agaw. Last 55 seconds, number 12, Kopolupig, a jumper, 2-pointer. Sinapal free throw by Lawrence Paotro.
Jersey number 1, Belka. And jersey number 25, Dalong Pinis. Jersey number 27, Contreras. Jersey number 30.
Hey, sound. Ayan, game po natin. Team ng Japo Nara laban po sa team ng Hope from the city of the Living God, Puerto Princesa. Makakalaban po yung team ng yellow shirt for your team of Japo Nara. This NBTC ng ating basketball or sa mga malalaking paligan ng TPP Toyota Puerto Princesa Basketball Academy, NBTC. The game between team of Japo Nara up against for team of Hope ng Puerto Princesa. And all set, the ball is up, time is on, let's get it on, let's play some basketball. For this opening quarter, call for a backcourt violation. O yung napiling na nakauwi ka na sa bahay, bigla ka pang nangapit bahay by Locsin. Depensa yung pinapakita ng team of Japo Nara. Break cover for team of Hope, number 25 on the go. Hindi man naging successful pero there's a call according to officiating, foul against with jersey number 2. Zero-2 running score for team of Hope. Off the glass, doesn't work. Number 12, a pump in a jump. Pero merong nakitang sumabit for team of Japo Nara. Foul against with jersey number 13. Points for team of Hope. First free throw, good for 1. Last in the final free throw by jersey number 12. In and out, battle for rebound, recovered by number 27. Kuha nitong batang amparado for team of Japo Nara with 7 minutes and 10 seconds. 3 puntos na po yung tinatalang puntusan nitong team ng Hope. Bagamat 0-3, but Axel Locsin stolen for team of Japo Nara. Lilipad itong batang kanas, good for 2 points. Amor, number 7, sending for number 12, yung batang Renz Abando. Good for 2 points by Locsin. Lumalamang na po for team of Japo Nara. Agaw nitong batang Amor, number 7 for team of Japo. Laglag sa batang Locsin. Good for 2 points by Locsin. Muling nakada. Jairos Quintano sending for Amparado. Bibigay kay Kobe Piña Florida. Number 8, Celiesa. Number 14, inside Amparado. Good for 2 points. Nino Amparado. 3-10. Isang palakol at 7-point na nga po yung abante. AJQ. Good for 2 points by AJQ. Arvin Jairos Quintano from Municipality of Nara. 2 minutes and 25, outside jumper by number 7. Boom! Bullseye! 3 points! Stolen. Number 13. Isusubo na lang. Good for 2 points. 11-12, 1-point lead for team of Japo Nara with 107 seconds. Ikutan ng bola. Canas. Here they go. Good for 2 points by Canas. 8, 7, 6, 5. Number 30, good for 2 points by Lobo. Number 6 for team of Hope. Ikutan ng bola. Number 13, Kopolupig, perimeter jumper. Masyadong malakas but get the lucky bounce. Good for 2 points by Nape. As a 15-year-old boy, 6'2". Outside jumper, 3 points! Pero hindi bumasket para sa grupo ng Hope. Agawan ng buko. Kuha nitong batang rin sa bando. Axel Locsin! Good for 2 points by Axel Locsin. Team ng Japo Nara laban sa team ng Hope. Libre yung number 13 from the 3-point lane. Not good. A pump by number 12. Katawan sa katawan. A jumper. Good for 2 points. Itong magkabila ang koponan. 18-19. Balik na naman sa nilalamang for Team of Hope. Fire for 3, number 13. Boom! Bullseye! 3 points! 7 minutes and 15 seconds sa layup. Put back, number 23, Nino Amparado. 20-22, number 7. At the left side, nothing but net. Punit kung punit. 3 points! Stolen by number 12, Axel Locsin, sending for Lawrence Baotro. Good for 2 points. Tinasablay para sa number 13 for Team of Hope. 5 minutes and 50. Number 23, Nino Amparado. Binali pa sa ere para Barangay Princess Ordua with 5 minutes and 40. Number 7, outside jumper, 3-pointer, doesn't work. Nice save. Number 12, up and under. Good for 2 points. Number 12, floater, basketball count at may kauban pang-foul. Bonus throw para sa number 12. Completing 3 points para kay Aban para sa grupo ng team ng Hope. 27-33, big steal. 27-35, another steal again para sa grupo number 27. Bang! Gandang depensa, kaya angat sa 10 ang tinatamasang kalamangan ng team ng Hope. 27-37, cross court, number 88, Lawrence Baotro, outside, bang! 3 points! 3 points. 30-39, 9-point lead, 3 minutes and 20, Nino Amparado. Sending for number 88, same spot, same result. Good for 2 points. Good for 3 points by number 88, Lawrence Baotro. Only time remaining, 3 minutes to go. Number 27, cross court, stolen by Nino Amparado. Sending for number 9, AJQ, Arvin Jairos Quintano. Good for 2 points. Para sa number 88, Lawrence Baotro, at nasundan pa yun ng AJQ. Pero sa kanilang pag-timeout, magandang nagiging Florida doesn't work from the 3-point territory. Battle for rebound. At sinise ditong batang Nino Amparado with 2 minutes and 13. Fast break for Team of Hope, number 18. Good for 2 points. With 140 seconds, 37-45. A jumper off the glass. Butas for Team of Hope. 37-47. Balik sa 10 ang abante. Battle layup by Canas. Butas din. Puta ng bola. Sending for number 21. Last 25 seconds remaining. Attacking Dalumpines. A jumper. Acrobatic shot. What a move by Nam. And good for 2 points. Laging pamatay sunog. Yung 53 running score. At another big steal again. AJQ, Arvin Jairos Quintano. Back to back. Number 13, Aban. Ikutan ng bola. Short. Tapikan. AJQ makakakuha ng bola for Team of Japo Nara. Sending for number 12. Huli ka, boy! Pero nandoon yung AJQ. Bang! Nahuli man yung kasamahan itong AJQ. Arvin Nino Amparado. Good for 2 points. Nino Amparado for Team of Hope. At number 25, Dalumpines, cross court. Number 13, outside jumper. Boom! Bullseye! 3 points. 85 seconds. Big steal again. AJQ, passing your seatbelt. Lilipad! Pinauna pa yung depensa nitong batang AJQ. 56-61, lumalamang na po for Team of Japo Nara. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 27, good for 2 points. Good from the 3-point lane. We have only time remaining, 4 minutes to go. 58-63, fast break for Team of Japo Sublimation. Team Nara, 2 points. Amparado. 9 for Team of Hope. 60-67. Pass break. Kobe Pina Florida sending for number 22. Good for 2 points. 60-69. 9-point lead for Team of Japo Sublimation Team Nara. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 27, ikutan ng bola. 3-pointer! Pang! 3 points! Pero yung pass break, nandoon na for Team Nara. Good for 2 points. Number 9, AJQ, Arvin Jairos Quintano. Ang AJQ, but number 27, stolen by AJQ, Arvin Jairos Quintano. Sending for Canas, number 2. Siya naman yung susubok, masyadong malakas. Put back by number 22. Good for 2 points. Good AJQ, Arvin Jairos Quintano, number 9 is stolen by number 25 for Team of Hope. Lilipad! Good for 2 points. Chavez, drive. Pinapagpag yung kanyang defender using the screen by AJQ. 5 seconds on the shot clock. AJQ! Bang! Good for 2 points by AJQ. Sublimation Team Nara. What the inbound play. Good for 2 points. Number 23, Nino Amparado. 68-77. Good defense for Team of Japo. Outside jumper. Pero good offense naman by number 18. Remaining 70-77. 7 puntos lamang yung pamamayagpag ng team. At babawasan pa nitong number 12. Good for 2 points. Lawrence Bootro. Bibigay sa Nino Amparado. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Nino Amparado! Good for 2 points by Nino Amparado. With 6 minutes and 48, number 13, 74-79, a jumper. Yes, sir! Tumidikit at patuloy na sumisiksik for team. AJQ, Arvin Jairos Quintano from Municipality of Nara, a 16-year-old boy using the screen bounce pass, number 22, Pilicano. Gandang play naman noon para sa 5 minutes and 20 seconds. AJQ! Arvin Jairos Quintano. Yung isa sa mga bata player na maganda yung nilalaro sa kasalukuyan. Nakakarami na po itong batang AJQ. Yun na naman! Favorite shot by AJQ. Yung ibababa at muling itataas nitong batang Arvin Jairos Quintano. Nice move. Pero hindi naging nice shot. Fast break, number 7, Chavez Amor. Good for 2 points by Chavez Amor. 76-39, 13-point lead with 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Last in the final quarter of the game, number 13, 3-pointer. Boom! Bullseye! 3 points. 2 puntos na naman yung muling pumabor para sa grupo ng Japo Sublimation Team Nara. Same shot, same spot, same result. 3 points. Axel Locsin. Papasewin yung depensa kahit walang tugtugan. Number 9, AJQ, Arvin Jairos Quintano. Tiradang pilit. 2 puntos. With 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. And Amparado. Pero yung batang Axel Locsin, yung batang rin sa bando ng Municipality of Nara, talagang lumilipad sa ating ball game. We have only time remaining. Last 2 minutes to go. Good for 2 points by Aban. 89, 11 point. Josh Penapel sending for number 88. Itong batang Lawrence Bootro sending for AJQ, Arvin Jairos Quintano. Pero piga kung piga sa bola at lahat handang makipag-agaw. Last 55 seconds. Number 12, Kopolopeg, a jumper, 2-pointer. For possible 2-point first free throw, Lawrence Bootro. Last sinapal free throw by Lawrence Bootro. Pero may naggirian sa ilalim na naman. Titignan po natin kung ano yung magiging hatol ng ating officiating official. Nakikita po natin yung dalawa, yung batang Josh Buenape at yung number 12 ay naggirian sa pagtira nitong Lawrence Bootro from the free throw lane. Kumbaga nagigirian po sila, aagawan sa talon. Pero sa paggigirian na yun, parang Hindi po yata nagkasundo yung batang Aban number 12 at yung Josh Benape. It called for unsportsmanlike foul by number 12. And jersey number 12 Aban called for unsportsmanlike foul by Aban, and number 6 Josh Benape out of the playing court dahil sa pag-attempt po ng close piece. Pero hindi naman po sinasadya, bagamat ganun pa man po yan nangyari, dala lang po ng ating basketball game yon. Pagbabalik po tayo sa ating action with 33 seconds remaining, 90-101. Pabor pa rin yung kwento para sa grupo ng team ng Japo Sublimation, Team Nara. Last 30 seconds. Number 13, outside jumper, 3-pointer doesn't work. Lobo ang kukuha ng talon. Bibigay kay Lawrence Baotro, number 88. And call for a foul against with jersey number 1, Belica. Last 15 seconds, number 8, Kobe Pina, Florida. Number 18, Wernada. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Not good by Wernada. Number 2, Canas, jumper. Last shot, basketball not count. And that's the final buzzer. Our official score, 90-103. Congratulations. Wagi po yung team ng Japo Sublimation, Team Nara.